Taking up IIDE's course was one of the best decisions that I made in my marketing career. Hi, I'm Shruti Thakkar and I work at Marketing and Beyond as a brand manager. Having done my bachelor's in commerce, I was always interested in the creative side of the marketing, especially social media. I had worked at a couple of brands and agencies to learn more about the digital industry. But soon, I realized there was a huge gap between the knowledge I had and the things I was doing. That's when I decided to invest in myself and joined the digital marketing course at IIDE. The trainers at IIDE ensured all my doubts were cleared, especially Sir and Adi Sir, who were always there for me. As part of my assignments, I got to work on brands like Bumble, McDonald's, L'Oreal Paris and many more. And I think it's a major factor which helps me land international clients currently. So if you are a marketing enthusiast like me, IIDE is the place to be.